Today, I want to show you a really cool app that I built that enables you to put COVID-19 statistics directly in your OBS or Slob setup for live streaming, so tune in. Hey everyone, James Montemagno. If this is your first time on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Every single Thursday, I bring you awesome dev tips, really cool reviews, and tech tips as well. So make sure you subscribe. And of course, check me out on Twitch at twitch.tv/James Montemagno. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you a really cool application that I built actually live on my live stream called COVID-19 Stats. Now, the entire idea of this application is that it enables you to put COVID-19 stats just like this live in your live stream in OBS or Slobs by reading information from the files on your computer. Now, this is really nice because it will also refresh every 5, 10, 15 minutes, whatever you decide. And you can even select the country or the entire world, whatever you want to do. So you can get this nice little cool banner like you see right here in just a few minutes. So let's check it out. Okay, here we are. This is the COVID-19 open source project that I've been working on live on Twitch. Now, a few things you'll note here is that everything's open source. If you want to have feature requests or if you want to make changes, you can pull it down and grab the code. Now, you don't need to grab the code to make this work because over here under releases, as you scroll down, you'll find the very first release and any new releases that you see. Now, as of right now, this only works on Windows, but if there's strong demand to bring this over to Mac, I will also do that as well. So what you're going to do is go over to the releases page and hit download. And this will download a zip file for you. Now, this should take just a few seconds. And what we're going to do is simply hit extract all. Now, you can put this wherever you want. You can put it on your desktop. You can put it in whatever document folder you want. Wherever you're going to run it, that's where you want to go ahead and open it and put it. Now here, I didn't put it on the App Store. It's just kind of work. So all you're going to do is double tap on it. And you're going to see this scary kind of Windows protected your PC. And that's because I didn't sign it. It's on the App Store. You're going to have to trust me. So here it's an unknown publisher and just say run anyways. You're going to only have to do that once, and then every other time it'll run just fine. This is built on .NET Core, so it's going to have everything just simply built right into this app. So let's go ahead and minimize these windows and get to the desktop. Here we go. And this is what the application looks like. It's very, very, very simple. Okay. Here we can see that there's a refresh interval that you can set how many ever minutes you want. You can select exactly where the COVID documents will be stored. You can also decide if you want only a specific country or all country data, and then optional the world total data. There's quite a lot of options, but if you're here in the US, you can just hit get and automatically it'll pull down data. Additionally, if you want to select another country, let's say Thailand, you can hit get, and there you go. Let's go ahead and put this back to the USA because one of the other cool features is that you can also hit start. So perhaps you want to, pin this to your desktop, start it up. Here we can see that every 10 minutes it will refresh the application data, so over and over again. So let's go ahead and just copy the file location here. And actually, I have it right here already. Here it is. Now, it has put out a bunch of different files on your machine. So things here like TH, that's Thailand, US for US, and then world for world. And what we can see over here is that we have new deaths here of 12,000 today. If I go over to total deaths, we'll see over 1 million deaths over here. And there's simple text files with data that are formulated for nice sort of display. Then what we're going to need to do is actually put this over in OBS or Slobs to read from this file or any of these files in combination. So let's check that out. Okay, so what we have now is all of our different files, but let's go ahead and pull over OBS. So what we'll want to do is simply first copy this data directory up here. And then we're going to add a new source. And that new source is going to be text. And let's just do something like text COVID US total, for example. Now, if you've ever used MyStreamTimer or if you've read other things from files from disk to display text, this will be very familiar. Normally, you can just type text in here like hello, and it shows up. But we don't want to type text. We actually want to read from the file. Now, what's nice about this is if it's refreshing in the background and that file updates, it will automatically update in our stream. So I'm going to hit browse and simply paste in that file. And now what we can do is we can come in and pick any of these different files. So total confirmed, total critical, total deaths, and hit that. Now with that, you can change your color, your opacity, anything you want. But just like that, we have our new COVID data directly inside of OBS, and it works exactly the same over in Slobs as well. So there you go. You can go, of course, now do another text entry, do another one, simply do not select font, but read from file, come in here, pick the file. Now it'll default to the same directory, and maybe you want the world total as well. So you can do total confirmed, and now we have the 32 million. So you can easily come in, customize this however you want, all reading that information directly from the files. All right, there you have it. It's just that easy to put COVID-19 stats just like that directly into your OBS or Slob setup. Hope you really enjoy this. The reason I built this application is because I was watching the news and realized that they're doing all of these surveys in which people don't know how many cases and how many deaths there actually are. And it was really striking to me. So I felt the need to go off and build this application really fast and put these stats up here and remind everyone to make sure you wear a mask and socially distance. But like I said, I hope that you found this nifty. I hope that you display COVID-19 stats and bring awareness into your live streams. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter at James Montemagno, or hop in my live stream every single Friday at twitch.tv/James Montemagno. Now, don't forget, if you want more awesome content, to subscribe and ding that notification bell to be part of the notification squad. So until next time, thanks for watching.